Hello, you welcome back to another lesson. Thank you for coming back. Today, I will be teaching you about the concept of the secular fourths, and we are going to be on the key of C major. So, the secular fourth is a concept that is used in the jazz and gospel genre. The secular fourth is a concept that directs you from whichever key you are playing on to the perfect fourth of that key. So every key you are playing on at the moment, your next destination should be a perfect fourth away from that key. An example on the key of C, we have C. Perfect fourth away from C is what? F. The next is what? B flat. The next is E flat. The next A flat. The next C sharp. The next what? The next F sharp. Okay, to start that again, C, F, B flat, right? E flat, A flat, C sharp, F sharp. The perfect fourth away from F sharp is what? B. Okay? And after B we have what? E, A, D, G, C, F, B flat, and continuously like that, going through a circle of fourths, and that is why it is called a circle of fourths, because from C, F, B flat, E flat, A flat, C sharp, F sharp, B rather, from B, E, A, D, G, and then you are back to C. So at this point, if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, and if you are an existing subscriber, please leave a comment, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much. So going by what I just explained, we have this. Again. And then back to C. One of the major ways in which you've been playing the circle of fourths unknowingly is through the 251 chord progression. On the key of C, the 251 chord progression is D, G, and C. Now let's check this out. The progression starts from D, which is the second degree of scale on the key of C major. So we have D. The perfect fourth away from D is G, and the perfect fourth away from G is what? C. So your 251 is a derivative of the perfect fourths, circle of fourths. That's the circle of fourth. And beyond this, you may want to take it further, and in doing this, you can decide to play through the circle of fourth on all keys, making use of the major seventh chord. Now we're going to start from C, and this is the major seventh chord, and like I said, this is mostly used in jazz and gospel genre, and you make use of this for improvisations, for chord changes, and etc. Okay. That's this. Right? Okay. Hmm. Then the next one. That is one exercise for you. You can do this over and over, and doing this will help you achieve mastery and achieve not just mastery in playing, but in application of the circle of fourths. Okay, remember this. And sometimes you hear people play some things like this. Sorry. And you're wondering what exactly, how are they coming up with this? What is the direction of change, and how are they coming up with these chord changes? Sometimes it is just the circle of fourths, and the circle of fourth is very important for you to understand the basic form and to understand how to utilize it, how to apply it when playing in real time. All right. I hope you've gotten something from this lesson. If you're a beginner, I'm pretty sure this will be of great help to you. Kindly do well to subscribe to the channel. Tell me what you've learned from this lesson, and also give this lesson a thumbs up.